7-Eleven 8/18/21, and got to the screen a little late, but I'm short here at 97. In the pre-open, we put in this significant kind of spike up came in. We had the supply in the pre-open as well. This is kind of a weak high, so I don't really like that. But then we came up, put in volume right around the open, and then we high ticked again, and then nice supply imbalance down. So my expectation is that we come down, take out these lows, this range, and then down through here, and then all of this really could go all the way down through the overnight low. So we were kind of in range, in value, same as yesterday, kind of just chopping around in this pretty tight consolidation range. Longer time frame, we're at this major low, these major daily lows. I still think that we could at some point revisit this, come down into this untested demand area here. We had that last little push there here with a little bit of increased volume, so I definitely like to see that. We'll see if we can get through these lows. Nice little push down here, and came down, flushed that level, and moved my stop to plus 20 at 77, and when we moved down here I got taken out plus 20. Such a great textbook trade on that last one. Coming up into the supply from back here from yesterday, up into this area, kind of testing that upper side of range, and then into this supply as well from early around 5. So we had this supply, and this isn't not the strongest supply selling off here, but we had supply coming in here as well. So every time we come up into this range, we've sold off. So, and then this is still very weak all the way down through the 66.50. So we'll see what happens here. But I wish they all could be that easy. It just worked out well. Really had to take no heat on this. It was a little bit, definitely it was a little apprehensive because of the size of the stop. 67.12 is where my stop would have to be up here, and at 97, so that's 15 tick stop already. I didn't really take any heat on it, just a couple of ticks, which is great. I passed on this trade here after we had this high tick of this range and the test into this previous value here, and a pretty sharp rejection. So after this bar, I was definitely looking at this for a short to take out the lows, and the weakness to the left would have been somewhere in here, 78, and then at least a stop into the 91. So again, stops tend to be a little high, and this just immediately broke down and sold off. This is the kind of trade that I am tempted to take, that I used to take these low a day failures up into, and this one did at least work to where I would have traded it up into the 65 area as a target, and this one works, but you know, sometimes it definitely doesn't work as well, and this has cost me a lot of losses. I feel like where I get in here, take this here after this trigger right here, and then it just holds this and breaks down and creates a new low day. This one worked out really well to where my target would have been 65 on this one for a nice 20 tick win, but that's trying to eliminate some of those losses